Hi everybody, my name is Nicholas and I'm an engineer on the managed services team at Nine. It's an exciting time here at Nine. We are migrating our KVM virtual machines to Nutanix virtual machines, and I was asked if I could show a little behind the scenes of how we handle the migrations. So the first thing I do is I log into the server that we're going to migrate and I grab the IP address. This way I can ping the IP address and verify if it's running and rebooting as expected. Next, I'm going to check the memory and the disk space for reference. Now I log into a management server to start the move. I can create a new equivalent node on Nutanix using a shell script that will check the existing KVM for the node configuration and use the Nutanix API to create a new node on the Nutanix cluster. After manually verifying the configuration settings are correct, the shell script writes and commits the configurations to GitLab. We use GitLab as our CI/CD tool. I want to share with you how a GitLab pipeline can make deployments really smooth. In this case, we're using Terraform to do all the heavy lifting. The shell script we just ran handled all the configuration, including creating the pipeline in GitLab. I have to now check the plan for any errors. Once I'm satisfied there are none, I can manually run the apply, which will deploy the configuration settings to Nutanix. I can now log into Prism, our Nutanix GUI, and double check that our node was created as expected. Now that both nodes are running, we need to migrate the data. Again, we have created another shell script to automate this task. This task runs a block copy in the background and can be completed while the server is still in operation to avoid any downtime. Once the block copy is complete, the script waits for manual input so we can ensure the migration stays within the maintenance window or abort if there is a problem. Everything has run smoothly, so I'm going to proceed. The script now shuts down the old KVM node, migrates the IP to the Nutanix node, and only creates 1 minute of downtime. For the final step, I'm going to log into the node and do some manual checks. First, that the node was correctly moved to the new virtual hardware. Then I'm going to follow any action plan defined by the customer. I'm also going to run public configuration to check that there are no errors. And I'm going to ensure that our monitoring system shows all green for the node. Please check out our website, nine.ch. Our contact information is there, along with all of our products. If you're interested in more content like this, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and thank you everyone for watching.